How to buy gold in Dubai, the ultimate guide for smart buyers. They call Dubai the city of gold, and for good reason. From glittering souks that shimmer under the desert sun to luxury malls where you can buy gold from vending machines, this city has turned gold trading into an art form. But here's the truth most tourists don't know. Buying gold in Dubai can either be a brilliant investment or a very expensive mistake. Today, we'll break down everything you need to know before you buy even a single gram. From hidden taxes to how to spot fake gold, and even where locals secretly shop to get the best deals. Why Dubai is the world's gold capital. Dubai's obsession with gold goes back decades. It started in the 1940s and 50s, when traders from India and Iran turned the city into a regional gold hub. There's no local gold mining here. Everything is imported. But Dubai became the middleman of the world's gold trade thanks to its tax-free policies and strict purity standards. Today, over 20% of the world's gold passes through Dubai, and its Gold Souk alone holds over 10 tons of gold at any time. It's not just jewelry, it's an entire economy built on trust, craftsmanship, and sparkle. Where to buy gold in Dubai? If you're serious about buying gold, your destination matters. There are 3 main places to buy gold in Dubai, and each has a different purpose. First, the Dubai Gold Souk. Located in Dera, this is the beating heart of the city's gold trade. Imagine narrow lanes lined with over 350 shops, every window packed with gold necklaces, bangles, and coins. It's old school, raw, and full of life. The best part? You can negotiate prices here, something you can't do in malls. Second, the Gold and Diamond Park, a modern, air-conditioned version of the souk, located on Sheikh Zayed Road. It's quieter, with certified dealers and designers, perfect for customized jewelry or larger purchases, especially if you care about comfort and authenticity. Malls and official stores. You'll find brands like Damas, Malabar Gold, and Joyaluka's inside shopping malls. Prices are slightly higher, but you're paying for convenience, guarantees, and certification. Understanding gold prices in Dubai. Now let's talk money, because this is where most people get confused. Gold in Dubai is sold by weight, per gram, and the price changes twice daily, depending on the international market. You'll see the gold rate displayed in every shop. That's the market price for pure gold, 24 karat. But here's the catch. That's not the final price. Jewelers also charge a making charge, which covers craftsmanship, the labor, and design. If you're buying gold bars or coins, there's usually no making charge, but for jewelry, it can range from 10 to 50 dirhams per gram, depending on the design. So when shopping, always ask, what's today's gold rate? What's your making charge per gram? And remember, you can negotiate the making charge, especially in the Gold Souk. Carats and purity, know what you're buying. In Dubai, gold purity is taken very seriously. Every piece of gold sold must be hallmarked by the Dubai Central Laboratories Department. The most common purities you'll see are 24 karat, 99.9% pure, soft, used mostly for bars and coins. 22K, 91.6% pure, ideal for jewelry. 18K and 21K, used in designer or gemstone jewelry. If you're buying for investment, go for 24 karat gold bars or coins. If you're buying for wearing, 22 karat jewelry is the sweet spot. It's durable, beautiful, and still highly valuable. Taxes and export rules. Here's what makes Dubai extra attractive. No VAT on gold bars or coins. For jewelry, there's a 5% VAT, but if you're a tourist, you can get it refunded at the airport before departure. Make sure to keep all your receipts and the tax-free form the shop provides. If you're flying home, you can legally carry gold, but check your country's import limit. For example, India allows travelers to carry gold worth up to 50,000 rupees for men and 100,000 rupees for women without paying duty. Anything more needs to be declared. The best time to buy gold in Dubai. Gold prices change daily, sometimes even hourly. To get the best value, track global gold rates for a few days using apps like Dubai Gold Rate or Live Gold Price. Historically, prices dip slightly in March, April, and September, October, but timing the market perfectly is nearly impossible. Instead, focus on buying when the USD is strong. Since gold is priced in dollars, a strong dollar usually means slightly cheaper gold in dirhams. Can you bargain? Yes, but the right way. In the Gold Souk, bargaining is part of the culture. Start by checking the day's gold rate online. Then ask for the store's making charge. If they say 30 dirhams per gram, politely offer 15 to 20. Smile, stay respectful, and show you know your numbers. Most shopkeepers appreciate an informed buyer, and you'll usually meet in the middle. In malls or brand stores, though prices are fixed, no negotiation there. How to spot fake or overpriced gold. Dubai's gold trade is heavily regulated, but that doesn't mean scams don't happen, especially in small, unregistered shops or online marketplaces. To protect yourself, follow these golden rules. Always look for the official hallmark on the jewelry. It should mention the karat and the shop's registration number. Ask for an authenticity certificate and a detailed invoice showing the gold weight, karat, and making charges separately. Avoid deals that sound too good to be true. Real gold doesn't have discounts of 30 to 40%. Finally, weigh your piece in store. Most gold shops will do it for free. If anything feels off, walk away. There's no shortage of honest dealers in Dubai. Should you buy bars, coins, or jewelry? It depends on your purpose. If you're buying for investment, go for 24 karat gold bars or coins. They're pure, easy to sell anywhere, and come sealed with assay certificates. You can find them at shops like Emirates Gold or Al Etihad Gold. If you're buying for personal use or gifting, jewelry is the better choice. 22K is ideal, and you'll get to wear your investment too. Some locals even buy 22K jewelry as a wearable savings account, something you can enjoy today, but easily sell later if needed. Insider tips from locals. Here are a few local secrets most tourists never hear. Visit smaller shops inside the souk instead of the flashy front row stores. They often have the same quality gold, but lower making charges. Check exchange rates. If you're paying in cash with foreign currency, compare the rate they offer with the official one. Always keep receipts. They prove purity and help if you ever want to resell or claim VAT refund. And finally, buy only what you understand. Don't rush. Don't get dazzled by design. Gold is forever, so take your time choosing. Buying gold in Dubai isn't just a transaction, it's an experience. Whether you're walking through the old souks with the scent of spice in the air, or stepping into a sleek, modern boutique, every gram of gold here tells a story. But the smartest buyers? They don't chase sparkle. They understand purity, price, and timing. So the next time you're in Dubai and you see those golden windows glimmering under the desert sun, you'll know exactly how to buy like a local and invest like a pro. Because in Dubai, gold isn't just worn, it's a way of life.